Today I want to discuss with you something very interesting. The difference between a winner and a champion. Ladies and gentlemen, we should understand the difference between a winner and a champion. Who is a winner? Who is a champion? A winner is somebody who wins only once. A champion is somebody who makes winning as a habit. So we have to distinguish between a winner and a champion. If you win one Wimbledon, you're called as a winner. But you win in a Grand Slam, you're called as a champion. That's why Roger Federer is called as a champion. Tiger Woods is called as a champion. And you can see lots of football players like Maradona, Pele, these people are called as a champion. They perform in spite of all the hurdles. They perform in spite of all the challenges. They don't give excuses. They are performers. They perform in the worst conditions. They perform in the best conditions. But this is possible only you create winning as a habit. How to create winning as a habit? There is one way to make a winning as a habit. I'll tell you, my dear friends, in your day-to-day life, every moment you should have a sort of a winning attitude. When you brush your teeth, you should have a winning attitude. When you take a bath, you have a winning attitude. You wake up, you set an alarm saying that I am going to wake up tomorrow morning 1 minute before, and you wake up 1 minute before. That's a winning attitude. Keep doing this in every aspect of life, and you set your targets and you crack your targets. And the target should be a very simple and crackable targets.